Come on, stop being so angry. Why don't you eat something? It'll make you feel better.
Thanks, but no thanks. I don't need any.
Here. It's pretty tasty. Well, how is it?
Wow, that sounded like a monster.
Ow!
Yona, are you finally hungry? I'll ask them to bring you some food, okay?
Chicken porridge!
Huh? That fruit looks ready to eat. I'm kind of hungry myself now that I'm standing here thinking about it. I'll go get some for us. I can do it. I'm a good climber. Here.
You heard me right, Mayo. Who else in the world could go on a date like that? You got to enjoy the best of Akiba and save it at the same time.
Yeah, I guess so. Whoa! You're hungry again already?
Well, I got relaxed, so then my stomach did too. And you know what they say, there's always room for dessert.